Boom! We are live. Thank you guys very much for your patience. Have no idea why Streamlabs crashed, but it did. We are here now. We are ready to go. Close your eyes. Don't look at the market because it's red. I can guarantee you what stock you're looking at this morning. It is, sorry if I'm lagging. Looks like I'm lagging on my screen, but we're going to get over it. And still using the Model T computer. Yes, I have not put the desktop computer up together this week. I've been way too busy. Hope this weekend. And no more of this junk after that. It's going to be all good news. But I'm not going to watch this show. Have a great weekend. And gang, Crypto Rocketeer. Dude, Crypto Rocketeer, you can keep your eyes closed and just hang out with us, man. That'll be good, right? I'm pretty sure that'll be good. Can't do TMI's music today. What was TMI's music, man? What did they have going on in there? Was it fun at all? No? Was it like way too elevator jammy? Or what was the vibe on the TMI's music there? Ukan and Toad thinks I was taking a shower and go to the bathroom. Nope, I did that this morning, man. Did not do that right now. Spinning beach ball of death. I'm telling you, man. I don't like when it does nothing but spin. I had to restart it and then it like re-downloaded. So I don't know what was going on with that. It was very weird. Didn't like it. I get a commercial instead of a reminder. Well, dude, commercial's good too. Crypto Rocketeer. Yeah, man, just close your eyes and hang out with us. It'll be okay. It'll be okay, I promise. Don't look at the screen. Just don't look at the screen, man. Don't look at me. Good morning. Why is Ethereum crashing hard today? More than others. This obviously affects Shiba. Yeah, Omar. And I don't know the reason that Ethereum would be falling more than other cryptocurrencies. If we, let's see if we can go. Do I have Ethereum over here? I do not know if I do. Avalanche down 1%. Luna down 4%. We've got Cardano down 2%. We've got Shiba down 1%. I don't think I have Ethereum on this watch list. What's Ethereum doing today? We'll find out if it loads. Yeah, not a drastic decline, though. Why can't I move it? What kind of ghost nonsense is this? Alright, Ethereum down 3% right now, sitting at 39.84. I don't know why I can't move. I can't move my Weeble anywhere. Alright, we're going to be stuck with that, so it's good. A very, very simple finance, please. Chris Brown Sr., you want to look at VVS Finance? We can look at VVS Finance, not in Weeble, so we're going to have to do that at a different time. Morning, my beautiful online friends. BRB. Devil's Advocate, come back fast, please. Remember, red days only suck if you sell. If you're locking profits and buying dips, days like today look glorious. Shorts have not covered. Frank is absolutely right on that. Tell me what's not down. Leah, the NASDAQ apparently is not down. It's breaking even right now. CEI not down. Fun's gone so low in the last couple weeks that it can't go any lower today. Tesla also not down. A couple stocks that are not down right now. Farmy just flirting with 25 cents per share again, coming down 3%. AMC down 10% today. My goodness, sitting at 26.44. GameStop down 4%. MMAT down 3%. And Prog down another 4%. Very rough day in the market indeed, but it's going to be okay, guys. Is Adam done selling his shares? Chris, it's actually a good question, man. I hope he's done selling his shares, but I don't actually know if he is done selling his shares or not. He's probably going to continue liquidating until AMC goes all the way back down to $2 per share. Morning, everybody. Pete, good morning to you. Adam Aaron selling shares. Is Adam Aaron selling shares? I did not know if he is. The King's back. What's happening, Pugnacious? How you doing? Where do you guys check, though, on whether shorts covered or not? You can use Ortex if you want an estimated number, or you can just Google AMC short shares, and then use Fintel, and it'll show you the last reported short shares outstanding. Not sure, Chris. He uses third party to do his trades. Pete, Chris said something. Pete, and Chris, yes. Oh, yeah. Talking about Adam Aaron selling his shares there. Gotcha. Just lowered my Shiba average price, 0.00049 Canadian. Love them dips. Wayne, very nice. Looking at it with a positive attitude. I love it, man. I love it. We got AMC dipping all the way down to $26 per share this morning, bouncing back a little bit to $26.72. She was sitting at $34.44. So 3,400 points per coin. Prog sitting at 244. Can't wait to get back to my fill at 350. GameStop sitting at $150.40 per share after dipping down to about $148 per share this morning. Devil's Advocate is back. Very nice, man. Glad you're back. Just I saw that one. Good deal. And caught up on all that stuff. Oh my gosh. Crisp. Yes, it is a bloody market today, but we're going to make it through. I promise. BSM Sports Card. Sup, bros? Good morning to you. Hi, Clay, bro. Hi, all. Leah. Glad to have you in here. Thank you, Clay. Thank you, Crisp. Thank you. Absolutely. Short sale rule on Monday for AMC. Yes, Chris Rivera. So we got the SSR, or the short sale rule, coming in on Monday for AMC because AMC declined over 10% today. A decline of 10% says that they are not allowed to short unless they are shorting from the best bid. So they have to be shorting from a higher price. They cannot continue to drive the price lower as they are shorting. They cannot do that for the rest of the day today. And they cannot do that on Monday either. It does not mean that they are unable to short. It just means they have to short from the best bid price, and they can't continue to drive the price down by shorting it. Greetings to all. Chris, good morning to you. I bought the dip. I like it. Click. Did you see my massive DM message about your AMC video? Nah, I'm going to be honest, dude. I didn't see any messages on Twitter since probably... Oh, man. I don't even know what time I stopped looking at Twitter last night. Like 9:40. I think 9:40 last night I stopped looking at Twitter and then got ready for bed at like 10:40. Ukan and Toad, followed you on Twitter. Thanks. Nice, Aaliyah. Follow everybody on Twitter at Clay. Well, we went to my soccer party since the season is over. Okay. But we went to Shakey's and we get rigged and we rigged the machine and got 3,000 tickets. It was so much fun. We even broke the ticket counting machine. 30,000 tickets. Holy crap. Doge Gaming. I don't know what Shakey's is. Sounds like it might be a fun place. 30,000. How did you rig the machine to get 30,000 tickets from it, dude? Tell me how you rigged the machine. I need to know. Clear, bro. What is going on in the market? JJ. What was inflation this morning? Anybody got the inflation number? I don't want to risk Google, and I forgot that was coming out this morning. I didn't look at it. What was the CPI? Somebody tell me what CPI is right now in the U.S. Well, I was countering your comment about it not being illegal to issue an NFT dividend, but it's too much to type, so we'll find out your thoughts later. Devil's Advocate, pretty good, very, very good. All right, I welcome the debate there. Thank you. I'm gonna like it. Go get yourself something nice, Nick F. Rocket. Thank you very much for the super chat. The question is, where the heck is Nick F? I didn't see Nick F in the chat. Nick F, are you out there right now? If you're not out there, tell me why you're not out there. We need to know. Nick F, are you in the chat right now? Because Rocket said, go get yourself something nice, my man. Rocket, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate you, man. My goodness, it's glad to have. I'm so glad to have Rocket in here. Bouncy bounce. Let's get it, Michael. 6.8. 6.8% inflation. My goodness. And what was the expected inflation rate? Oh my gosh, 6.8% inflation. That's a little over the 2%. That's a little over the 2% target there, Mr. Powell. Good job on that one, guys. 6.8% inflation. Freaking 3.5 times the target inflation rate. Nice job. Highest since 1982 when it was 4.2. Lex, oh my gosh. I do want to have this debate live, though, because I'm a show pony and prefer an audience. Type away, man. Type away. We can have it. Inflation is at like 15%. Let's go, Brandon. Let's do it. 15%. I mean, dude, when inflation goes to 15%, yeah, man. Yeah, you're going to be able to get like 10%, 12% on your money at the bank. It's going to be nice. Your house is going to go up in value by a couple $100,000. It's going to be insane, dude. It's going to be insane. Just cash out and move to a retirement country at that point. End of the year, which price prediction Shiba will be? Toon-Chi, well, I wanted it to be 0.00009909, but I'm getting a little nervous on that prediction there, man. Sam isn't lying, Clay. It's his kink. Also, don't knock it until you try it, man. I like it public, too. I would never knock it. Devil's Advocate, never. Might knock it, but never knock it. No, I wouldn't do that. All we did was spam the button, and we just add more tokens as I spam the button. Doge Gaming, did you look this up on YouTube, or how did you figure this out? You just smash the button and add more tokens in? 6.8%. Better fix those mortgage rates. Yeah. Yeah, they're going to fix them. You guys are all of a sudden, you're going to start paying, 6.8% inflation. They're going to have to battle that. They're going to raise the interest rates to a good 5%. Yeah, you guys is, the interest rates, mortgage rates are going to go up to like 7%. So, good luck on that, my friends. Good luck on that, my friends. Hello from Nottingham, UK. Boss Tweed, hello from Ohio. How you doing? Fine, I'm not going to say part 1 and part 2 and all that. Since I got to retype this monster, I'll just get done. I'll just say done at the end. I mean, technically, I probably could read. I probably could just grab the tablet right there and read it if it's going to be easier. Is that going to be easier? I could do that. Why is Adam Aaron using his apes to come up? He just sold another 312,000 shares, and all we get is popcorn. Spaz out. Plain and simple, man. Because Adam Aaron does not care about, don't say it, don't say it. Alright, say it. Adam Aaron doesn't care about the apes and the short squeeze. Adam Aaron cares about AMC and the future of AMC. Adam Aaron knows and truly believes that AMC's price is overvalued, and he will allow his bank to continue to sell his shares, honestly, until he reaches the bare minimum of shares that he has to hold. But AMC is valued at probably $5 a share, and he knows this, told his bank, and bank knows this. And he will likely continue to sell his shares until it reaches fair market value. So he doesn't care about a short squeeze. He cares about AMC's future, and he cares about money in his bank. Yes, I would. That'd be easier than you being selfless and going out of your way to do that, guys. Adam Aaron has to be selling shares at the last earnings call. Yes, he did. All right, let's see. Gotta get this tablet here. Oh my gosh, dude. I sit in this chair too much during the day. I swear it's breaking. But the retail investors who saved his company, yeah, man. Yeah, but, you know, the knights are the guys that go out in front of the king. The king doesn't fight his own battles. What kind of a king would that be? Leading by example? Oh, what am I doing? Twitter. Twitter, okay. It's not that long. It's not that long, dude. You could have typed that easy. All right, let's see. Calibro closed some long swings, a few early day trades, bought 30 shares of AMC at 27, opened another 100 share of Brick, and bought 100 shares Prog. Very nice, Frank. I love it, man. Boss Clay, what's happening, Renji? How you doing? Adam selling shares is not new. Yeah, but we all know that he doesn't have to sell his shares. Doesn't have to. We know it's new. We know it's not new, but we know he doesn't have to. Okay, Devil's Advocate, I'm messaging you here so that I don't have to forget, but I'd like to discuss it on stream because apparently everyone's freaking out over Adam Aaron's tweet. You said specifically that an NFT dividend has never been done before. Adam Aaron, I believe, said before that they're not allowed to give dividends until they're profitable. It's just flat out and not allowed. With both of those in mind, can one assume that it is illegal simply due to the fact that since a shared dividend or a cash dividend was all that existed before, that they are legally where they're told as a blanket statement and they're not allowed to give one, and thus his statement isn't necessarily false but somewhat dated and just phrasing an issue with the legalities. Yeah. So right, which is why in the video I made sure to mention that if they did want to give an NFT dividend in 2022, you are correct on that. So, which is why I said, if they do want to give an NFT dividend in 2022, they need to make sure that they have a positive net earnings. So if you don't have a positive net earnings, there are certain exceptions, okay? If you like constantly pay a dividend and all of a sudden you have one bad quarter, you can continue to pay a dividend out of your cash reserves, or even in some cases, if your creditors are okay with it, borrowing money to pay a dividend. That's okay if you're like withstanding your long-term trend of paying a dividend. But if you're going to pay a dividend, it has to come from somewhere, and it has to come from earnings per share unless that exception is made. So knowing that, and knowing that they have, I think the last one was like negative 40 cents per share earnings in the third quarter. So knowing that they don't have a profit going on right now, you are correct. They are not able to pay one. So assuming that they do have positive earnings per share some point in 2022, they are allowed to pay a dividend even if they're still in debt. Companies never get out of debt. The vast majority of companies hold debt on their balance sheet, and like with the exception of Sundial and maybe some of these other companies who went out there during the run up in January, diluted the crap out of their shares, then I would say the like 90 plus, maybe 99% of all companies carry debt on their balance sheet. So they are allowed to be in debt. I've seen some people saying that they can't be in debt while they pay a dividend. You absolutely can be in debt while you pay a dividend. But they do have to have that positive earnings per share. And I do not know how much an NFT dividend costs. So like if I were to go out, or if AMC were to go out right now and pay well, let's just use $1 because that's going to be easy. Let's say that they paid $1 per share and they have 500 plus million shares. They need to have earnings of at least $500 million during that quarter or during that year to pay that dividend. Let's say an NFT costs $1 per share to make, which I don't know if it does. I have no idea what kind of deals they're getting on these dividends. They would still need to make that dollar per share in order to get that NFT dividend out there. So assuming all of that stuff is good, and assuming they have a profit at some point in 2022, even if it's, if NFTs are super cheap and they just pay some company $100,000 to make up 500 million NFTs, then, they could do that for the $100,000 profit that they have. Now, that does get a little tricky with the opening it up to litigation when, you're not going to be able to get your hands on an NFT if you're a short seller. So how do you fulfill your obligations as a short seller? Now, that is the part that I'm sure they don't want to litigate. And that's the part that a lot of people get excited about, because if there are more shorts outstanding and all of a sudden you've got all of these shares that don't get an NFT, because if it's cash, dude, the short sellers can come up with cash. They can cover their tracks. If they're naked shorting too, and they want to keep those naked shorts alive by paying those dividends so everybody thinks that they're getting the dividend they deserve, it's just a cash pile, man. You reach into your cash pile and you hand them that dollar bill. If it's an NFT, you can't just create some NFT and give it to these people. So it would cause a lot of problems, and it would cause litigation. That is absolutely correct. Okay, so if what I said is correct and he can't do it regardless due to a technicality, why are people so upset? Even though an NFT, it doesn't cost anything, it's still a rule to abide by. Yeah. Hypothetically, though, even if it's free and he's legally not allowed to give a dividend, which is how it is phrased, because it is still now, because it's a monetary value, wouldn't that still stop me? If we're gonna start getting into technicalities, I don't know if it's not of monetary value, right? If an NFT would have been free, and they use some sort of a marketing technique in order to pass out these dividends to don't use dividends. If they pass out these NFTs to registered shareholders, that may not classify as a dividend. However, it would be something that lawyers would jump on, man. Because as soon as lawyers see something that may not make sense, or like you are sitting here, happy to debate it, dude, they make money. They make their big money in their big breaks, looking at new things like this, saying, oh, you know what, this company's doing something they've never done before. Let's go sue them. We're going to get in the spotlight. We're going to be in the news. Our law firm's going to grow because of it. And, hey, if we win, excellent. We made a breakthrough case, and we're the first ones to ever litigate it. And they're going to use our names for the rest of history until somebody else, another judge, decides something else. So it would almost no doubt bring in litigation. But at the same time, man, how do you ever move forward? How do you ever do something nobody's ever done before? Like, how do you test the boundaries and expand? Yo, bro, it'll go back up, no worries. Zach, absolutely, man. Nicholas Pascal, thank you very, this is a good one, Nicholas Pascal. Nicholas, last time, man. Thank you very much, Nicholas, for the super sticker. Absolutely appreciate that. You guys are amazing. Never seen that one before, so I don't know how I did. I'm not underwater, but I kind of like went underwater there and then came back up, so hopefully that was good enough. Oh my gosh, hit the like, people. Do it. Thank you. Dwight. Do it, Tech. Do it. Thank you very much. Yes, guys, hit the like button, please. Hey, bro, save us, please. Do it. I will, man. Because in my opinion, him giving an NFT to people on the app is the loophole. He tried to use an order to please us the best he could without having a legal battle, which would mean he did his best. Yeah, but I think that people want it on a per share basis, not just on a like per registered user basis. I think they want it on a per share basis. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. Like, I don't know, man. A part of me is like, yeah, dude, he just doesn't want to deal with it. So like, I get it. They're not sitting on cash heavy. Well, they are cash heavy right now, but they do have a lot of debt out there. They do have $1.6 billion. They can litigate whatever the heck they wanted. But I don't think he cares. You know what I mean? That's not something that he cares about. It's not something that AMC cares about at all. Honestly, I don't think AMC. I think AMC couldn't care less if there are 5 billion naked shorts out there. I don't think they could care at all if there are that amount of naked shorts out there. However, I don't think there are, and I'm not terribly upset that they're not issuing this NFT dividend, because I personally don't think that it would expose anything to begin with. But at the same time, man, I like the way Elon Musk works, because Elon Musk's he's got that like carefree, relentless attitude, man. Like, he's in charge of Tesla, and he doesn't care what other people say. And he's going to say what he wants to say, and he's going to do what he wants to do, and he welcomes anybody to challenge him. I really like how Adam Aaron stays solely focused on AMC, but I wish he had a little bit more of an attitude. I wish he had a little bit more of an attitude. Driving to no chat, listening to always the amigos. Pringleton, thank you very much. Even if you're driving, man, stay safe, listen, and have some fun. Every CEO dumps in December. Adam Aaron sells his shares. Clay gives away free merch. List goes on. It happens, man. Free merch, free bro cups. Like, look at this. Shoot, man, you know how many times I've been tempted to drink out of AMC Trapper's bro cup right now? Just drink out of that bad boy right there. I've been so tempted to do it. Julie Miller, have you used your cup yet? Is it a good cup or is it a junk cup? I need to know. Elon Musk is a chill man. Elon Musk is a chill man. Listening to Thud Amigos? Yes, listening to the Amigos. That is us. We're the Amigos. What do we got here? Good afternoon. Oh, Riptide Redemption. How you doing? Unpopular opinion, but he shouldn't care about it much and should be focused on improving the company, which I believe he has been, and the share price is obviously doing fine for the company fundamentals. No, yeah, dude, I completely agree with that. I think he's doing good work as a CEO. I just like a dude with a little saucy attitude. You know what I mean? They got that little saucy attitude out there. Like, Musk wants to do something, he does it, man, and then you just move on with it. If somebody wants to challenge you, let them challenge you. But that's the only thing. I would like you, but give me a little sauce. Can that cup hold hot drinks as well? Dude, it can hold whatever. I mean, it's not going to melt. It's not going to melt, but I don't know. I'd never put anything in any of these cups. If you drink out of it, it adds value. Nah, dude, definitely don't drink out of it if I add value. It's like, that's disgusting. Now I gotta get a straw cleaner to just clean out the straw because Clero used it. Void, FYI. VOY, FYI, don't know what that is. Good! Crazy day in the market. Should we be worried? Just turn it off and ride the waves. Yeah, what is this dude's name? I forget your name, man. I think you said it in a super chat once. I forget your name. Scrim. I think it's Scrim. Yeah, it's Scrim. Scrim? Maybe, something like that. Listen, I'm gonna tell you this, okay? And take this with, like, confidence. There's a difference in being worried and being cautious. I don't think we should ever be worried. Like, I don't think we should panic. Serge. Yeah, there we go. Serge. I don't think we should ever be worried, but I do think that we should be cautious right now because a 6.8% inflation rate is insanely high. They will want to battle against this. Now, how long it's going to take, I don't know. How drastic of measures they're going to take, I don't know. Nobody knows. I mean, Jerome Powell probably knows, and he's not going to tell anybody until the day of. So knowing that, a battle against inflation and potential, like, I don't know, people worrying about things that they shouldn't be worrying about with potential new variants and stuff, is a cause for concern. So I want to be completely honest with everybody and have you guys just open your eyes. The gains that the stock market has been seeing recently, we may experience a pullback because of the inflation and because of these new variants. So please keep that in mind. Don't be worried, but be cautious. Don't be afraid to potentially go out there and buy some inverse ETFs or some contra ETFs. Don't be afraid to go out there and put some stop losses on your positions. If you consider this a big ordeal, if you consider the battle against inflation a big ordeal, do not be afraid to maybe buy some puts on some things, some longer term puts if you expect this to continue to go down for a while. We may be entering a period of time where we need to protect our profits. Cash may have better returns than losing stocks. So you got to do what's best for you at that point. Let's see, and not at all. One of my soccer friends was just playing the arcade game, and he just tried spamming the button while inserting more tokens, and we just got infinite tickets. Doge Gaming, nice, man. What did you do with your tickets? Did you get a stuffed animal? Is AMC GME a falling knife? Wilbur, at this point, I'm going to say no on AMC because, look, if we pull out the AMC graph, we are right there at that level of support, at that $26 per share. Let's see where we're at here. So we are right here at that level of support at $26 per share, and we have bounced off of it. We touched it down in here, and we touched it again. Now I'm going to be like just open with everybody. If we do fall through this line down here, yes, it's a falling knife. I wouldn't try to catch it until $20 per share. And I know nobody wants to hear that, but I can't not say it. You know what I mean? Because this is the next level of support. This $20 per share mark. It's at $19.70, but it's it. The actual support's like $20. You just can't get it to sit on there dead on. So, you know, if we do fall through this level, everybody needs to know that we may experience more declines simply because of the technical analysis on the stock. Not because anything's changing with AMC, not because anything's, you know, going wrong with the short squeeze numbers. It's because the overall market is pulling back. And the next level of support that we have is that $20 level. So at this point, no, I think you can catch it. If you think this 26 level is going to hold up, you could go ahead. But if it doesn't, I would not try to catch that. It could fall to 20. Oh gosh, I got to sneeze. Oh. Let's see. CPI report. Ew, what time? It will crash the market. Buy Hero. So the CPI is already out, 6.8%. It's exactly what I did this morning, playing puts and closing spreads. Frank, good deal, man. Good deal. And, you know, a lot of people think that that's like shorting. It's not shorting, but it is playing the market to the downside because the market also goes down. Stocks also go down. And buying puts is... Bless you. Thank you, Doge Gaming. Buying puts is one way to protect your profits and play to the downside. Inverse or contra ETFs, you can also do it that way. You could go in cash if you don't like playing to the downside. But we could be entering a period of like caution. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Thank you, Stephanie, bro. Oi, oi, oi. Thank you, Stephanie. Stephanie, how's your morning going today? Hopefully very well. Click, gonna send you what I'm doing today. A rich house homeowner is in the press of a bunch of companies. They sent me, or the president of a bunch of companies sent me a crew out as a tryout, about to get our company a fat contract. Nice, Chris. Chris, do you guys do Christmas lights too? I know a lot of these guys that own these ridiculous houses, they have people come out and put Christmas lights up on their houses. And I've seen like some of the work, dude. Like, you guys deck those houses out. Do you guys do any of that, or is it like strictly landscaping? Because I've seen some people before. It's insane. Oi, 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 bad. Why? Guys, Stephanie's having a bad day. Stephanie, don't have a bad day. Have a good day, Stephanie. Come on. Click, taking a spot positive spin on everything. Everyone, click. My plane just lost its wing. We're going to hit the ground in 30 seconds. Click. Look, I'm not worried until the plane hits the ground. Exactly. You know what? Grab the hand of the person next to you, tell them you love them, and over the next 30 seconds, really appreciate everything you got in life. Because I'm going to tell you right now, that pilot is trained for this moment day in and day out. If he hasn't, he's not a good pilot. But you got a good pilot on that plane. He can land that thing with 0 wings, just a long tube falling down out of the air. He's got your back. You're going to be good. You're going to have one of the best stories ever. They're going to make a movie out of you. You're going to get royalties from the contract in that movie. Your life is going to be amazing. Don't panic. You've got this. Is that right, Divi Dog? Bad Friday. No, Stephanie, don't have a bad Friday. We want you to have a good Friday. Guys, don't we want Stephanie to have a good Friday? I mean, we want Stephanie to have a good Friday, right? Come on, Stephanie, have a good Friday. Come on now. I haven't even put my Christmas tree, all because of school and work. Doge Gaming, you gotta get that Christmas tree up, man. Come on. My girlfriend says she loves you more than me. Rari, whipping egg beater sauce to God. She's lying to you, man. She's lying to you. She don't even know me. It's all right. Worked aviation my entire life. My little brother can fly, and my dad's a mechanic. Pilots are not trained for the wings of the plane disappearing. Well, you know what, man? Good pilots are. Good pilots think of every scenario. You can't tell me that your dad, who's a pilot, your little brother, you can't tell me your little brother hasn't gone over the scenario where he's flying over the ocean and all of a sudden he's got to land in a deserted island and spend the next 3 years surviving. He's thought of that. You can ask him. You can ask him right now. He's going to tell you yes. He's planned for that situation where the wing falls off. He knows exactly what to do in that death spiral. She must have seen the banana video. Ugh! Stephanie, did you watch my banana video? Because it'll probably give you a good Friday. Not a bad Friday, it'll be a very good Friday. JB says, Ox's token, Polar Swap, Monster Infinite, or Essence of Creation. Polar Swap, definitely real. It's like getting a Polar Pop. Monster Infinite. I really like that name. I want to be an infinite monster. An essence of creation. That is beautiful. I don't know why it sounds so nice, like coming out of my mouth, but essence of creation sounds amazing. I'm going A, complete fake news on Ox's token. Fake news A. Across the board, definitely. Stephanie Bro, you need a fun Friday. Yes! How do we give Stephanie Bro a fun Friday? He's gonna be an island boy. Yeah, Devil's Advocate's little brother's gonna be an island boy. He's an island boy. Oh, man. Yeah. Sorry, Devil's Advocate, your little brother's an island boy now. He crashed and now he's on there. Polar Swap's fake. Dang it, man. Have I ever gotten one of these right? I think I've gotten every single one wrong. After hours action is needed. That's exactly right, Sydney. That's exactly right. After hours action is needed. Anybody that doesn't have after hours action, what are you doing with yourself? You're cutting yourself short. He's not a pilot. I said he can fly. He's not certified to fly. He's just flown a few times, but I admitted my expertise on the subject more impressive, so I added it for a little razzle dazzle. He's thought about it, dude. He's thought about it. I know he has. If he's ever flown before, he's thought, dude, what if this wing falls off? What am I gonna do? He's training. He's trained for that moment his entire life, man. You got one right. 1 out of 8 so far. God, dude. 1 out of 8, man. The bad thing is, these are multiple choice. I should at least have 2 out of 8 completely guessing. So I'm already under the odds. I should at least have 2 out of 8 correct. I'm blowing this. Screw after hours. I want action now. Mini Ape Alex says, forget the after hours action. We need market time hours. Or market time action. Market hours action. When the recent Fast and Furious, new James Bond, and now a new Spider-Man, they said that AMC will rise, will create a squeeze. But until now, I don't see no changes except the stock dipping. Yeah, Randy, I don't know who told you that it was going to squeeze based on the theatrical releases. I think they may have put a little bit too much focus on the fundamentals of AMC increasing due to these blockbuster releases and an increased revenue. I don't think anything fundamental will cause AMC to squeeze. I think it's going to have to be based on short interest numbers, based on like buyers and sellers, or based on the technicals. I don't think anything fundamental can actually like cause the squeeze to happen. I think we're too far detached from the fundamentals. The answer is die. No, he's not going to die if the wing falls off. He's going to take the plane down and land that bad boy. Yes, a crypto was almost inverse the stock market. People moved cash out of stocks and into crypto. Now seems they both rise and fall together. I hate apples. That may be because people are more willing to accept crypto as less of a speculative asset and more of an actual asset class, like stocks. Yes, still risky, perhaps slightly riskier, but not a complete gamble like they may have been doing before. Gala Games is a big convention in Vegas this weekend. Not saying by Gala, just looking for prayers that they are not overhyping. I'm all in, grinning. Very nice, dude. Just did a remake of the Fast and Furious last night with my wife. How, man? How? You guys both drove really fast cars? Whoever said these movies will cause this squeeze, every movie that has come out this year has set so many records. Spider-Man is the biggest one coming out, and that probably won't set it off. Chris, I agree with you, man. I agree. Them shorts be piling in good, I bet. Wilbur Doge. Yeah, I don't actually know if the short and share numbers are increasing right now or not. The last time I looked, they were still steady around that 17% mark. If nobody wants to buy AMC, a squeeze does not take place, right? So, Davo, not necessarily, okay? If nobody wants to buy AMC, we are likely to see a sideways price or potentially a falling price. However, the short shares, the hedge funds that have shorted AMC, they absolutely have to buy AMC. Doesn't matter if they want to. At some point, they have to. And when that day takes place, the best thing that we can expect is that people are unwilling to sell. So hopefully the majority or the vast majority of people holding at that point would consider themselves apes or would consider themselves in for an AMC stock short squeeze. Because if that's the case, they will be unwilling to sell as the price rises. And as the price rises and as they're unwilling to sell, that's when the hedge funds have to offer higher and higher and higher prices. I don't care if retail investors are buying it and it jumps up 10, 20, 30, 40%. I want hedge funds to be required to buy it, and then the potential is unlimited. Who's your daddy and what does he do? Let ET20. I forget who my dad is, man. Facts, Spider-Man and No Way Home actually would have set the squeeze, but unfortunately Adam Aaron hates retail, and even though his lawyers advised him to give an NFT dividend, he said no. No. No, I don't know if it would have caused the squeeze or not, but hey, man, in an alternate reality or an alternate universe, maybe AMC has already squeezed. Multiverse. Think about that, man. What are we going to do with that? We don't need everyone buying AMC. We just need the right people who will buy it and hold it. Chris, exactly, man. Because when the day comes for hedge funds to close, that is what matters. These movies are setting pandemic records. The real records are hard to beat. Spider-Man might have a shot at some. Very nice, Messy Marvin. Let's get it, man. Man, how the heck does Clay take comments filled with innuendos and make them completely innocent? Oh my gosh. Lauren is hot. Clay. So, Diffie, turn the heat down in your room. Yeah, man. I don't know. Like, why would you make the girl sweat? I don't know why you would make the girl sweat, dude. Just, like, turn the air conditioner up a little bit. I don't know. Open a window. Fox just filed Charles Payne. Is this true or just a headline? Holy crap. Davo, I did not see that if Fox fired Charles Payne. I don't know why they would, but I did not see that headline. Anybody else have Remember I hit my leg the other day? I just rubbed it right now. I got a big old bruise on it. I did check that yesterday. I did not see that headline. I did see some stuff about his Twitter account, but I don't know if Fox took any action or not. If anybody's got some updates on that, let us know. Hey, Clay, how do you know if there's a broker that doesn't mark you a warning for... Hey, Clay, do you know if there's a broker that doesn't mark you a warning? Chris, I don't know if there's a broker that doesn't. Okay? I'm sure there might be some sketchy brokers out there somewhere, but like anything that I've ever used, it lets you know that you could potentially hit your day trade limit. Rest in peace, Charles P. Twitter was like, goodbye, and then Fox was like, well, if Twitter hates him, we hate him. Charles, pack your stuff, get out. Did that happen or not, guys? I don't know if it did. Good day, Clay, bro. Ryobi tools are trash. Chaka Gillis, Ryobi tools are not trash, man. Ryobi tools are actually the best tools, and I'm convinced that Chaka has nothing but Ryobi tools at his house. Dude, I'm gonna go buy so many Ryobi tools for Christmas. It's gonna be ridiculous. I'm gonna give them all to Chaka. And he's gonna see Ryobi tools are where it's at. They're the best tools ever invented. Saw Gordon Ramsay going to Texas. Wonder how that will affect the prices down there. I have no idea, Lordy. Oh man. Feel like Spider-Man will make around $1 billion just because the nostalgia of Toby and Andrew. Think that it is just being good. Might bring it to endgame levels. Dude, is Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield really going to be in Spider-Man? Or is this like speculation? Like, has this been confirmed at all? Or stop hyping me up, dude. If that's like facts, stop hyping me up because, yeah. Yeah, I remember seeing the first Spider-Man. I saw the first Spider-Man at a drive-thru. Amazing stuff, man. Changed my life. I work in construction, and all I use is Ryobi. Mini Ape Alex. That's what I'm talking about, man. I don't work in construction, but all I use is Ryobi. What is BitPay? BitPay is like a... I think you could buy and sell and swap crypto on BitPay, but they're a payment platform. So if you're a retailer, like you would use PayPal or some company as your merchant, Square, you could use Square as a merchant to accept payment. You can use BitPay to accept payment, and they allow you to, like, they allow consumers to pay with different cryptocurrencies. Basically, you got a debit card hooked up to your BitPay account where you hold your cryptocurrency, and then you can buy from retailers using it. In 2022, will the PS3 boxes be replaced by a real desk, or are we sticking with a homeless? No, we are definitely not sticking with the homeless theme. I got stuff going on upstairs right now that I'm putting together. Fact, it's been confirmed as the Squeeze mod. It's been as confirmed as the Squeeze mod, dude. Nice, man. Then we definitely got Andrew Garfield and Tobey Maguire coming in. Clay, technically not confirmed, but it's the closing thing to be confirmed that it's the closest thing to being confirmed without spoiling it. Gotcha. Okay. So we're still excited about it. God, dude. I mean, I'm gonna see Spider-Man, so don't tell me about it. Don't tell me if you guys do go see it before I do. Real talk, though, I used to have a screen show for the cast. I used to have a screen show for the cast of the movie on Google, and they were both on it before I was talking about it, before everyone was talking about it. Since then, their names have been removed. Very interesting, Devil's Advocate. Very interesting. So PayPal started accepting crypto. Yeah, Mark, I think they have with Bitcoin, but I don't know to the extent that you can use and purchase crypto with PayPal. I don't know the extent, but I did think there was some stuff going on with Bitcoin not too long ago. Screenshot. Okay. What did I read? Screen show. You said screen show. I was like, well, the good dude's going to screen show, but it's all right. Should I buy a Tether right now? Dude, I don't know. Isn't Tether always $1? Go ahead, buy it right now if you want. Wrestler, they aren't always as powerful, but they do the job. They do the job, man. That's a fact. I don't use my tools for huge projects either, man. I don't use my tools for huge projects either. I just completely renovated this entire house from down to the studs with nothing but Ryobi tools. Let's see here. We've got on to the best buy right now is Ryobi, bro. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. They were going to bring back Gwen and MJ with everyone else, but Kirsten Dunst couldn't. Okay, that's how you know it's fake news. When Kirsten Dunst, who is probably not doing anything right now, says scheduling is an issue for being in a Spider-Man movie, that's fake news, Chris. It's fake news. I don't even care what the. That would be like me saying, no, I can't be in the Spider-Man movie this year because I have a live stream at 11:30 a.m. I can't come on set. It's not gonna happen. Scheduling issues. I'm busy. Don't listen. Don't listen to that nonsense, Chris, ever. Emma Stone was pregnant during the film of A No Way Home. Dude, they can put a little green screen on the stomach, man. Like if they can take limbs off of people with a little green tape, they could put a little green sock on her stomach and she'd be just fine. People come up with these excuses, man. I'm telling you right now. No Way Home, like if you get offered to be a No Way Home, you got to take that. Dunst is an unfortunate last name. It is, man. Who the F wouldn't clear their schedule for that? I would literally skip my parents' funeral. What is a funeral? Funeral to be in Spider-Man. I'm saying, man, anybody would clear their schedule for that. Like, come on now. Come on. Dude, just rebury your parents a week later. They're not going to mind. Matter of fact, they'd probably be like, do it. Do it. Devil's advocate. Go be in Spider-Man. So, Shiba breaks the 34 support. Well, Mark, interesting. I don't know how to label that as a chance. Like, if you're going to make me give you a 50-50, a 60% chance of breaking it. But I would say if you see continued pullbacks in Bitcoin and Ethereum, you should expect Shiba to break down through that 3,400 point per coin level. So, relate it to the bigger names in crypto. If everything starts to move up from here and you see Bitcoin and Ethereum rebounding and it doesn't seem like they're going to decline, I would say it's likely that Shiba holds that 34 level. If you see Bitcoin and stuff starting to pull back and drop in, maybe Bitcoin 45,000, Ethereum 3,700, I think that it's probable that Shiba drops below that 3,400 level of support. And I'm just being completely honest with you guys. Nobody wants to see it go down, right? I don't want to see it go down. But at the same time, I understand that everything doesn't just always go up either. We have to deal with the down days just like we deal with the up days. But little update right now, we got the NASDAQ sitting 0.30% higher. Farmy down 4%, sitting at 24.83. AMC down 7%, 27.17. GameStop down 3%, 150. MMAT down 3%, $3.10. CEI down up 1% at $1.07, $1.08. Fun up 3%, 343. Tesla up 1%, 1,013. Doge sitting at 16.75. And Prague down 2% on the day, sitting at $2.49 per share. Let's see here. Clay, we have a preview of the upstairs renovation, like an episode of MTV Cribs. Well, it's not really a renovation. It's just me trying to put a desk together upstairs with the desktop parts sitting on the floor. Not really a renovation. So it would be a little underwhelming, dude. It'd be a little underwhelming. My giant-sized elf, Will Ferrell, for out front of my house is on the way. Nice, Elizabeth. Nice. Dude, I don't know. I watch Elf every single year, guys. I think Elf is hilarious. And Elizabeth, congratulations. You got a very good Elf that's going to be out there. I like that. That sounds like a good inflatable to me. Click. Unfortunately, I have to inform you that you've reached your daily limit for reading what Chris says, and it's time to ignore him again. Perfect. I was waiting for that moment to come by. In that case, cool. Hoping for a great buying opportunity. I'd rather it go up, but I'll buy more. Ethereum below 4,000 again. I've been resisting that for 2 weeks. I hate apples. Yeah, man, it's down a little bit, but it can continue to come down, guys. It can continue to come down, and it's not like guaranteed that it's going to stop somewhere. Just kidding, Chris. I'll go back to your comment. Also, Clay, you never replied to my giant Spider-Man theory I sent you forever ago. Where'd you send me that, dude? Am I sitting on a DM of yours? Buy the Shiba dip if you are able. Elizabeth, yes, it is dipping right now, and it's actually dipping right now too. We're sitting with Shiba at 34.33. 34.33 on Shiba right now. We are around that level of support there. Hopefully we don't fall through. Eddie, how will the Evergrande default help AMC? Eddie, very good. As everybody is welcoming Renji Briones into the chat right now, we will answer Eddie's question. Renji, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Everybody, I want to see 187 welcome Renjis in the chat. Thank you very much for supporting the channel, grabbing the green name, and becoming a bro, man. Absolutely appreciate that. And Eddie, thank you very much for the super chat. So I personally don't think that the Evergrande default is going to help AMC. I'm not one of those guys that thinks a market crash is going to be beneficial for AMC. Now, if you do subscribe to that idea, the thought process behind it is that as Evergrande collapses or continues to default and the overall stock market pulls back because of that, hedge funds will be losing money. And as these hedge funds lose money because the stocks are pulling back, they will have less capital available, they will be less liquid, and therefore more likely to get margin called. And as they're more likely to get margin called, they're more likely to have to cover their short shares in AMC. And if they have to cover their short shares in AMC, we should expect the stock to squeeze and move higher in price. Now, personally, I believe that if the overall stock market is pulling back, along with that, AMC will also be pulling back along with it, because I don't think that apes are the majority holders in AMC. I don't think that the people who are here for a short squeeze are the only ones who hold AMC. I think retail investors, yes, are the majority holders, but I think there's a lot of day traders and swing traders in AMC. There's too many Chris variants part of the bro army. Something's fishy. Yeah, Chris Gomez. That is true, man. We got way too many Chris's in here. Somebody needs to change their name. Hold up. Haven't we been hearing about this renovation for like 2 weeks? Bro, it's just a desk. You have to put together. Awkward. Yeah, it's a desk and a desktop. But the thing is, devil's advocate, I have to, I need more than 24 hours in a day. Because I still like to sleep, I still like to get my sleep. But I need more than 24 hours in a day. If you compare AMC to a celebrity, who would it be? I'm going to say Megan Fox was super hot, but not so hot now. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, it could be. I guess you could file Channing Tatum under that line there. Yeah, I know a lot of people talked about him. They don't talk about him so much anymore. But I would go Max Greenfield if I had to say it was a celebrity. Just always a classic, man. Just a classic. AMC's gonna live forever. So will Max Greenfield. Mini Alex is Clay. Where do you think the money is going? If everything is being pulled out, they have to put it somewhere, right? I don't see margin calls happening, so where? I do know that they were putting it into bonds. Okay, the interest rate on bonds was decreasing because more people were going out there and buying bonds. So bonds are extremely lame, but if you want a 1% annual return, you could go invest in bonds. And I know that treasury bonds were increasing in price, but decreasing the interest rate because people were pulling out and going into bonds. Diffy, I feel it, bro. So much potential wasted. Yeah, I heard Clay say he was going to be on the HGTV channel with his renovation. It seems like IKEA instead. Oh my god, you guys are going to make me work so hard this weekend. I'm going to work so hard this weekend. I'm going to blow your freaking minds, and then you're going to eat all of those words that you just typed right there. Dude, you guys are going to eat all of those words. Oh my god. Alright, it's going to be a busy weekend. Holy crap. I gotta start planning tonight. I'm gonna wake up super bright and early tomorrow at 10 a.m. And then I'm just gonna get started. Yeah, make you guys eat those words, dude. You guys will. Has Gemini been down for anyone else? Not that I know of. Taylor Lautner. Ooh, Taylor Lautner. Yeah, that was definitely another one, man. That was definitely another one with that Robert Pattinson guy too. They were hot for a while. Twilight. Get on my Twilight level. Replying to Divvy Duck, AMC Squeeze be like Betty White. It wouldn't be that good, but you'd still... Oh, Chris is ridiculous. Some of these stuff I can't even finish reading. Fractured my elbow yesterday. Doing what, wrestler? You fracture your elbow. Keith Richards, AMC, still there at the end of the world. Let's get it, Frank. 10 a.m. is not early. Clowny, that's why I went when I did that. Betty White has potential, Chris. Nice. Clay, eyes closed. Hard at work planning a renovation. Facts, man. Facts. That's how you plan a renovation, dude. And then you just make it happen. Close your eyes. That's what I want it to look like. Boom. Go make it happen. Easy. Is that how you guys plan your future, too? Robert Pattinson is going to be hot again with Batman. I'm hyped for it, but it's going to be dark. Dude, Robert Pattinson's in Batman? Who's he playing? I mean, there's no way he's playing Batman. You know who didn't fracture their elbow? Clay. Not doing his renovation. I'm telling you, Div Dog, it's going to be so nice. How low can AMC go? 0. Raymond, it can go to like 0.0001. It can go to the price of Shiba Inu Coin if it wanted to. But I don't think it's going to go that low, man. So right at that level of $26 per share, it's got an excellent amount of support. If that doesn't hold up, $20 is an excellent amount of support. If that doesn't hold up, $14.50 is a crazy amount of support. If it doesn't hold up, 12, 10, 8, 5, 4, 2. I don't even know if there's any support at 3. Are you joking? It's Batman. Dude, is he Batman? What the heck is he Batman for? And he's Batman for real? Any idea when I upgraded my PC? I did it on Friday night at 9 p.m. after eating Taco Bell. Stayed up till 3 a.m. See, that's why I don't want to start making this PC at 9 p.m. and take 6 hours to do it at 3 a.m. Sounds crazy. You seriously, though, is the new desk no, it's not a standing desk. Should it be a standing desk? I feel like I would stand too much if it was a standing desk. I could put a standing desk on the desk, but it's not one. You see the article saying that with the NFT issuance, AMC is going to be worth $50 a share. I did not see that. Mini Ape Alec. Who said that? Was it Motley Fool? It's like playing bat-based characters. Bat-based characters? I don't even know what I'm talking about now. Let's see here. I think Robert will be one of the best Bruce Waynes. Don't know about Batman. Clay, speaking of who's the best Bruce Wayne and best Batman, Bale is Bruce, Keaton is Batman. Okay. I can deal with that. No, I thought it would be funny to pretend some random nerd from Harry Potter, from Happy Potter and Twilight was Batman. Yes, bro. Why would I lie? See my reaction? You would not be surprised to see how many people in here come and say things just to see my reaction. So, that could be why you would lie, but apparently it sounds like you're not lying. There goes support in AMC. No, I don't think there goes the support, man. We're still sitting right at that level. So if you pull out to a... we'll go to this one. We're right back down here at this level. So this range right in here, man. This range right in here. If we fall through this, yeah, we break support. I think we break support if we fall down through this line right here. But this is the next major line that we have. So we got a little right where we're at right now, kind of touching it in this area, right in here. But if we fall through this, you are correct. We are going to break support, and we could potentially see support again at $20 per share. Very important to keep that in mind. All right. I don't know what you said support was. Anyway, well, hopefully you do now. Bro, it's real. D'Artagnan! How could this be real? Harry Potter is a garden show. Oh, Happy Potter is a garden show. Did you guys believe that I never watched a Harry Potter in my entire life? Never. I've seen them when like they play at the store, but I've never watched an entire Harry Potter in my entire life. Divido, you did not just say that Affleck is the best. I'm doing what you need to and slapping myself in the face with that comment. Oh, man. What's wrong with Affleck, man? Ben Affleck is the man. Where's that? AMC dipping like Megan Fox Botox. think Fox doesn't have Botox, man. All natural. All natural. Yes, I would, and I'm disappointed. Don't be disappointed ever. Shiba's killing it in the news. Could Shiba be in the hood soon? I don't think, listen, I think that it could be, yes, but I don't think that Robinhood's going to list Shiba. I don't think they will. I think that they're liking all of the attention they're getting, but I don't think that Robinhood's going to list Shiba. I think they would have if they wanted to. I think they would have done that by now. Closes at 1987. Today or when? Shot a 100-pound hog last night, sitting high on my tree stand. We'll be having sausage and flank steaks tonight to celebrate our victory. Coming soon. Big Cuban. Very nice, man. Big Cuban, where are you from? Are you in Florida? Is that where you said you were? Where you at? Me either, Clay, bro. AMC Trapper. I don't even know what we're talking about now. But yes, me neither, man. Me neither. Oh, about Robinhood. Gotcha. Clay, bro, Harry Potter's a scam. Crypto Trinity. Definitely a scam, man. I've never even seen it. Robinhood needs a Batman in a dog suit. I don't even know how to picture that. I think AMC is going down is the worst thing that can happen to hedgies. It gives us a cheaper price to buy, and when they keep shorting, our ask price for the MOASK goes up. Warren Buffett, yeah. And that's a good mentality to have as long as people don't give up. There will be people that always crack under pressure. So let's say AMC does come back down to $12 a share, and the short interest is actually higher than it's ever been. There will be people who fold under the pressure, sell their shares, and never come back. And if that happens, that's like the exact opposite of what we want to happen. So we got to make sure that we stay strong. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial planner. The one, the only, Simon in the house, baby. Yes, Mr. Simon, what's going on? I'm literally taking my squeeze profits and going to Harry Potter World. There's a Harry Potter World. I've never been there. Clebro, days like today increase the chances I'll be a millionaire. Frank, yeah, if you guys are able to buy on the dip, like literally every share that you're able to buy when the stock price is considered low, increases your chances of maybe not making $1 million on one trade, but definitely, building your portfolio up to the level that you can. This is why he's the Warren Buffett. That's why he's the Warren Buffett. Nice! My suit does indeed have a bat nips. Oh, whatever that means. That was about Harry Potter. Never watched. Oh, gotcha, AMC Trapper. Not about Robinhood, about Harry Potter. Dude, that means two of us, man. Me and AMC Trapper have never seen Harry Potter. AMC, we still here? Yes, Patrick, I am definitely still here. Point to the place on the chart where AMC touched you. Clear up. I'm sorry to say, but people be selling. Abe Strong. Yeah, Wilbur, I know people be selling, man. People are selling for sure. Popcorn salesman once again sold more shares. Nani Inu. Yes. Taking advantage of that inflated price at AMC. Huh? Yeah. That's what we got. That was the only time I'd agree with you. But I can't trust you're serious, so never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about. Unsubscribed. You did not unsubscribe. I mean, just because I don't know where Harry Potter World is, and you unsubscribe, yeah. You're a Hufflepuff. Leah? Sounds like something I'm interested in. But I don't know what a Hufflepuff is. Val Kilmer's the best Batman. Elizabeth coming in strong with her Batmans. I'm going to let you know what I did. I bought 3 bro merch shirts for 20 USD and resold on eBay for 28 USD. Interesting. Nice, Divvy Dog. That does sound like something I'm interested in. Hufflepuff sounds so beta. I don't even know what a Hufflepuff is, so keep that in mind. Chris, serious about what? Nobody knows. Maybe go into Harry Potter World? Question. So if I hold on to 300 million Dogelon and Shiba, will I be good? Will I be good to make life-changing event for my kids in the future? Yeah, so newbie crypto, that's a definite possibility if you're willing to hold long term. If cryptocurrency continues to grow, and I don't know how many Shiba you have, 300 Dogelon Mars, I don't know anything about the prices on Dogelon or the outstanding supply. But Let's say you did hold 300 million Shiba, and Shiba eventually, 10 years down the road, goes to a penny. Dude, you know, you're sitting on $3 million, man. I mean, that's, nobody even needs $3 million. You're going to be just fine. One of them Hogwarts houses. What? Hogwarts house is a Hufflepuff? Yo, Clay, you cool with letting us know how much AMC you hold? Patrick, no, but my average is at $13 and some change per share. Part 1. Clay, remember when people talked about insurance having to cover us on the AMC, on the squeeze? They were only counting AMC, not GME. They naked shorted AMC and GME. They definitely naked shorted Overstock. And if that's the part, that's part 1. We'll get to part 2. They have naked shorted every single short position in the entire market they have. It's going to be a total sugar storm. Peralton, probably because I'm not from England. I don't know what a sugar storm is. That actually sounds really nice, not really bad. But it is possible that if that does come out, that they're still naked shorting, that, you know, it's going to be bad news for the hedge funds and extremely good news for all these short squeeze candidates. So I want to see a sugar storm, man. That sounds amazing. Also, Clay, Hufflepuff, the stony balonies of Harry Potter. I'm a Ravenclaw for my fellow fans. Yes. No? Yes. Clay, remember when Wanda sold out and then a few weeks later we blew up to 72? Rest in peace, Adam, Aaron, Patrick. I would love that. Yes, Wanda sold out at $14, $14.50 per share. And then we go from a $12 dip all the way up to $72 per share. I would love to see Adam Aaron a little upset that he sold at $26 per share, and then the next week AMC sitting at $260 per share. That would be incredible. Let's see. Elizabeth Nice. Yes. AMC and GME are a scam. Those Wall Street boys are going to whatever they have not to do whatever they have to not. Yeah, Mark. So they're definitely going to do whatever they can not to cover. I would agree with you on that. But eventually they can only do so much. They can't keep it going on forever if we are willing to continue to hold. If we give up, yeah, you're right. They win. I also a Ravenclaw, and I would bet a $20 super chat that Clay is one if he takes the test. I have no idea what a Ravenclaw is, man. It's so dangerous to call myself a Ravenclaw. I don't even know what that is. Is Ravenclaw cool? Sounds like it's cool. Chris and Devil's Advocate are Ravenclaws. I want to be a Ravenclaw. Clear, can you follow me on Twitter? D'Artagnan, yeah, man, I can follow you on Twitter, for sure. Did you follow me now? When did you follow me? I'll follow you right now. If you guys are on Twitter, I'll go follow you right now. If you hit me with a follow. Hufflepuff's entire thing is they're honest and caring people. My ex-girlfriend was a Hufflepuff, and she literally cheated on me with my supervisor in the military, so they're whack. Forget you Hufflepuffs, man. Forget you Hufflepuffs right now. D'Artagnan, did you follow me on Twitter? I got my tablet right here, man. I can follow you back. I think I'm going to hit up some Skyrim after this. That one dude do it, Clay. Ravenclaw is legit with the smart ones. Let's get it, Chris. I'll send you the link to the test, Clay. If you're any house besides Ravenclaw, I'll send you a $20 super chat. Alright, let's do it. Send me the test and then I'll do it later. I'll do it on the break. I don't know where I was at. AMC Speedline would suggest the top out at $280. What do you suggest? Break above the speed line could be violent, but I'm targeting 280 to 330. Patrick, yeah, man, 280 to 330 is a definite possibility, but you know, and this is me kind of gauging what's been going on recently. If AMC continues to dip, a rip up in any sort of speed would cause a lot of investors just to book their profits and say, forget about it. We've been here for a year. We've been holding AMC for a year. I just want to book some profit and get back out now. So I'm going to be a little nervous that even if we see a run up to $50 per share, there's going to be a lot of people that just want to get out and sell. It's about that, man. Yes, I agree. We need you to take the test. It's more important than all of us. I'll take the test, dude. Is it just like one of those personality tests, or what is this? What's going on with AMC? I would love to see a 76. Sergeant, me too. Carbon fiber, I guess that makes me a Slytherin. Whatever the heck that means. Slytherin? Is that bad? The heck is going on with Cardano? Crypto! What is going on with Cardano? I don't know. $125. It's going down, down in an earlier round. Cardano's going down, swing in. I'll be your number one with a bullet. I'll send you $1,000 super chat when we hit 70. Marky, it's impossible, man. It's impossible. Super chat limit cuts off at 500, so ha! Joke's on you. I'll send you the link right now. Admittedly, you'll need to make an account, but it's just an email and password, but no payment or anything, and they'll never contact you. Boom! Alright, cool. I can do it. Confidence with AMC. I have confidence in AMC. Yes, sent. Did you send it? He did send it. He did send it. Alright, so we're going to check that out. But right now, you guys know what time it is. We are going to do that right after. I got some more 26. Too tempting, darn it. Pringleton, I love it, man. Have some faith, bro. Yes, Reggie. I do have faith, man. Trust me. Let's see. You guys know what time it is. It's time for a giveaway. So let's do a giveaway right now. We've got AMC Stock giveaway going on. $10 Shiba Inu Coin giveaway. We got bro shirts being given away. All kinds of things that you can win. What we're going to do here in a second is we are going to spam the chat. Not yet. Not yet. Let me turn on subscriber only mode. If you guys want to win, you have to be subscribed to the channel. I would assume you guys are subscribed to the channel, but if not, make sure you click that subscribe button. And then we're going to spam the chat here in a minute. If you win, you get to choose tree or stocking. Tree or stocking. And then each one of those has a prize in it. Ornaments are labeled, and the stocking has little pieces of wrapping paper with numbers on them, and then you can win. Alright, subscriber only mode. Perfect. Turn that on. Okay. OnlyFans mode. Engaged. Yes. And then we are reloading the YouTube chat right now. Reloading the YouTube chat, and then as soon as this bad boy reloads, you guys will be able to start spamming. Let's see. Just subscribe. Patrick, appreciate you, man. Thank you. How do I win? So, yeah, you're going to spam the chat here in a minute. I'm going to give a random person a blue wrench. Then you're going to choose if you want the stocking or if you want to choose an ornament off the tree. And then we're going to go from there. Whichever you choose correlates to a prize on the tablet. And whatever prize you get is what you get. Then I will contact you on Twitter and find out where you want to do it. So, let's get ready to rumble. All right, you guys can go ahead and start the spam. Then we're going to start the spam, and then we can do the giveaway. Start the spam, do the giveaway. Start the spam, do the giveaway. Ooh, the tree and stocking game. Classic. Yes, it is, Pringleton. Let's go. Let's go. Spam. Ooh, yes, spam looking good. Spam looking good. Spam looking very good. All right, look, guys. Eyes closed. Click. Did I get one? Oh, I got one. First try. Got one first try, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right. I see who it is. Do you guys see who it is? I already see it in the chat. I see it in the chat. Let's go. If you guys see it in the chat, I see it multiple times in the chat. We got a good spammer in here. Lisa, excellent job spamming. I see your name 4 times on the screen, 5 times on the screen right there. Lisa, definitely spamming that chat. My goodness. Lisa, you got to choose. Do you want Lisa, yes. Stocking game or tree game? Stocking game or tree game? Take your pick now. Let me know what you want. We'll get it going. Me. It is you, Lisa, yes. Are we playing the stocking game or are we playing the tree game? Lisa's a bot. I don't know if Lisa's a bot, man. She said me. Stocking game or tree game? Let's see what we got going. Stocking, tree game, you pick a color. Stocking, I pick out of the stocking, and we get the piece of wrapping paper in there with the number on it. So, what are we going with, Lisa? Stocking or tree? Appreciate you, channel Ed, man. Appreciate you, man. She says tree. We're playing the tree. What number or what color we going with here? What color we going with here? She said tree, tree, tree. We gotta pick a tree. We gotta pick a color off the tree. We gotta pick a color off the tree. She lets you know for you and me. We gotta pick a color off the tree. She broke my chat. She broke my chat too, man. Especially after she was a mod. It all started coming in. As rigged as the stock market. Hot girls always winning. Dude, Carlos is not a hot girl. Carlos won day before yesterday. Bottom blue. This one, bottom blue, very nice. Lisa, we've got bottom blue. Hold on. I gotta put this tree back. Bottom blue. Number six. Lisa, we got number 6. If you guys can see that, right? Maybe. Come on. Yeah, you guys can see that. Number 6. Lisa got number 6. There it is. All right, number 6. I already know what number 6 is because number 6 and 9 have been called so many times. Number 6 is a sticker pack. Don't even have to look at it. Sticker pack for Lisa. Very nice. Lisa, you're going to have to let me know on Twitter. Hopefully, if you don't have Twitter, you can hit me up on... you can email me. But sticker pack, Lisa. All right, so you got some Chip Bro stickers in there. You got Clay Bro YouTube stickers. You got Bro stickers. What else we got? I don't know. There's a Shiba Inu sticker that should be around here somewhere. But I don't know where it's at. We got Shiba Inu stickers as well. Sticker pack for Lisa. Lisa, congratulations. Do you have a Twitter? If you get a Twitter, I want to follow you right now. If you have a Twitter, I would like to follow you right now, along with, I don't know, D'Artagnan, whoever just asked me to follow him. Let's see. Lisa, do you follow me on Twitter? Real talk. If I was Clay, I would cheat and only give it to my favorites. And, dude, I would too. I would if I was cheating, I would give it to the green names because green names pay for a green name. Shiba Inu stickers. Shiba Inu stickers, fire. Dude, check it out, man. I'll show you the Shiba Inu stickers. I didn't want to get up out of the chair, but oh, check this out, man. Dude, we even got purple. Dude, these purple Shiba Inu stickers. Yeah, man. And then the black ones, and there's blue ones too. Got the black ones, and then a sheet of blue ones. Yeah. See the sheet of blue? Yeah, dude. Shiba Inu stickers. Fire, man. Fire. No hat. Shiba Inu stickers are on fire. Thank you. Yes, Twitter. Lisa. Follow me on Twitter right now. Lisa Teague319. Got a count less than a week ago. Very nice, Lisa. Can you follow me right now on Twitter, and I'll follow you back? I'll follow anybody that follows me on Twitter right now. I'll follow you guys back. Lisa Teague 319. All right, Lisa Teague 319. Okay, cool. All right, Lisa, I follow you on there, and if anybody wants to follow me, if I win next time, I will take the lava lamp. Renji, you're not taking the lava lamp. If anybody wants to follow me right now, I will follow you guys back. So, Crypto Trinity, boom. Locksta, Chris Gomez, man, following you. Good deal. Followed you guys back right now. If you guys do want to follow me, go follow me right now, and I'll follow you back. Let's see here. Bro, have you seen Crypto Rico's video on Save Every Kid SDK coin? It's a charity that is going to help so many kids. Will, I have not seen that video, man. Followed you. Saif, did you follow me? Let's see. I don't know. I just follow for you guys. So, wrestler. Oh my gosh. Whatever that means. Clay's hung like a squirrel. Dude, I've hung from things before, but I can only last about like 2 minutes when I'm hanging from stuff. That's like, it's very difficult to hang for more than 2 minutes. And I've seen squirrels hang from trees for much longer than 2 minutes. So, although I would like to say I can hang like a squirrel, I mean, it's just very improbable that anybody can hang like a squirrel. A famous celebrity just followed me. I don't know how to feel. Chris, no, dude. No. Nick Lane, following you. Boom, very nice. All right, good deal. Guys, it is 1 o'clock. I'm going to go follow you on Twitter. I'll send you a link to it. It's going to change lives. Will, do it, man. Do it. Follow me. Follows you also, Lisa. Devil's Advocate, thank you very much for following Lisa out there. Getting her some followers. Crystal, what's going on, Crystal? Who that? Chris Gomez. Who that? Who that? Nobody knows who that is. All right, we're leaving anyway, guys. It's 1 o'clock. We'll be back in a couple hours for the afternoon session. Thank you for hanging out this morning. Even though it's a red day, we still had a lot of fun. And hopefully we get a nice bounce during the lunchtime, and then it continues to go up. Wrestler, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. Kyle G says, dude, you can't go yet. We need to see that peach. Weird as this sounds. Kyle's the only one that can touch it. You guys can look, but nobody touched but Kyle. The weird thing is, I know you guys couldn't see my eyebrows, but I was going like this during that. So, Kyle, thank you very much for the peach. Absolutely appreciate the super sticker, guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. So, we found Clay's price for his dignity is around $2 mark. Pringleton, absolutely, man. AMC Trapper says, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Mr. Simon, see you later. The Devil's Advocate, see you later. Enjoy your lunch. Lisa, enjoy your lunch. I'll message you on Twitter where I can send this sticker pack to. Bobby, Elizabeth, Devil's Advocate, Leah, Simon, Prem, Menon, Crystal. Just need more on Instagram. Yes, do need more followers on Instagram, too. Go follow Crystal on Instagram. And me. SD, later to you. Lord Nix88, thank you for the super chat as we're leaving. Thanks for the live chat. Back to work for me. Boom! Lord, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. Incredible support, guys. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. Even though, like I say, the market is red, it's a tough day today. We're still having some fun. So, Lord, thank you very much. Once again, man, can't appreciate all of you guys enough. You're incredible. Go have some food. Prem, it is time for some food for sure. Leah, JB, see you later. Elizabeth, Frank, Leah, Saif, SD, Elizabeth, Renchi, Danelle. Bye-bye. So if you guys want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.